Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Yenty Hot&Spicy Cooking Without Herbs. In this video, I'm going to baking simple cheesecake. I'm trying to baking tonight so I can enjoy the cake tomorrow morning for breakfast. So let's get started.
Firstly, I'm going to take out all ingredients that I need to make this cake, including the oven and the mold that you have covered with baking paper. This is all ingredient that I need: butter and cheese, yolk, sugar powder, wet flour, emulsifier, fresh milk, cheese, and egg white. Place 2 tablespoons softened butter and 1 sliced cheese into large bowl. Add half teaspoon emulsifier. Mix as fast as you can till the color becomes soft yellow or pale. Stir in a bit in a time and keep mix it. You also can scrape the side of the bowl once or twice while mixing. Do the same with the sugar powder, just a bit in a time, and keep mix it. Next, pour 125 ml fresh milk. And the last one, 6 tablespoons of low protein wet flour. After all ingredients mix well, let it sit, and now we're going to beat egg whites. This is how I turn my liquid egg white become light, fluffy and jiggly. And yeah, always without mixer. My cheesecake is ready and I'm going to slice in small pieces. And look at it, it's so moist. That's perfect for breakfast. Thank you very much for your attention to this channel and see you on the next video.